trail is located at Arizona, on the Colorado River, 40 minutes drive from Vegas. To get there, set Arizona Hot Springs trailhead on the navigation app. The trail starts from the Hot Springs parking lot located on Road 93. It winds through the White Canyon, reaching the Colorado River. Then it goes south until getting to the Hot Springs Canyon, where it climbs back to the parking lot where we have left the car. We'll go under the highway and keep on heading south on the Whitey Bed. The trail will gradually descend into a canyon. At certain parts the canyon narrows quite much, and this can be dangerous during winter. Make sure to check the forecast for rain and flash floods warnings in the area. We'll keep on walking down the canyon until getting to the Colorado River. The trail goes south along the river. There's a small sign showing where to go. Be very careful when walking on this part of the trail. The yellow arrow will take you scrambling up the ridge through a steep and narrow crack in the rocks. After a short walk, the trail starts descending to the direction of the Hot Springs Canyon. The Hot Springs Canyon has water flowing in it. We'll head upstream. The hot water in the springs has special amoeba in it. According to the sign, that amoeba can be dangerous in touch with your nozzle. Make sure not to put your head in the water. An improvised ladder will take you up to the springs. We'll keep on scrambling up the narrow canyon. It will gradually widen until getting to this sign, where we'll start climbing to the direction of the parking lot where we have left the car. This not-so-little guy has dropped by to say hello. Strenuous climb back to the ridge and back to the parking lot. Thank you for staying along. If you like this video, please be kind and subscribe to my channel.